If you ever money, I ain't having that. Cause I beat that boy with a bat. Damn, sorry I blew you off. I'm sitting like with Microsoft. That's true. I don't think anyone really wants to hear me sing. That's not true. I want to hear you sing. As long as I'm here, you and me, we're not the same. I am a sinner, you are the same. I could be a better boyfriend than him. I could do the shit that he never did. Falcon with a riot, and I felt like the Barbie. I'm the dog, but I still wanna party. Things feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. I can't love. I've been your best friend since 6th grade, okay? Just tell me what's wrong and I'll help. I don't need your help. I don't. Just leave me alone. Yo, speech on it, PP on it, mercy, like a black girl kid. Daddy the grandmaster, daddy I want it faster. Them bitches you're fucking with, I know they gon' need some practice, so one time I hit it, they can't stab me in my bed. 1 man, 2 man, 3 man down. One time I hit it, they can't stab me in my bed. 1 man, 2 man, 3 man down. That's what we were still changing for the better. One team was enough. For me, it wasn't enough. But I got to know, are we still friends? Can we be friends? Are we still friends?